If you want to work smart and not hard when cleaning your baseboards, then this video is for you, my friend. Today I'm going to show you another best cleaning tip on how to clean baseboards fast and easy without bending over or kneeling down. This is a great tip for anyone who has back pain or who simply wants to avoid the hassle of getting on their hands and knees. Ain't nobody got time for that. For this method, we'll be using the O'Cedar Spin Mop. If you want to know more about this mop, I have done a review and several other videos on it, so check it out here. So the mop head for this mop has a unique design that allows you to easily reach those hard to clean areas because it has a triangle tip right here and a scrub pad which provides more cleaning power on tough stains, making cleaning easier and more effective. Now on to the cleaning. Mix a few drops of Dawn dish soap in a bucket of warm water. You can also use any cleaning product of your choice. Before you start cleaning, it's important to dust your baseboards because this will remove any loose dust and dirt, making the rest of the cleaning process much easier. Because we want to work smart here, use a long sweeper duster or attach a dry microfiber cloth to a broom with rubber bands, like I did here. This is a great tool for baseboards cleaning. Pretty cool stuff, Look how dusty these baseboards are. See what I mean? In case you don't have the spin mop or want to try another best way to clean baseboards or to dust baseboards, check out this video here and learn how to do so. Now dip the mop head into the soapy water and wring out any excess water. The mop must be damp enough to clean the baseboards but must not drip any water because if it does, this could damage the wood or paint. Start cleaning by placing the mop head at the base of the wall and glide it along the entire length of the baseboard. As you clean, pay attention to any tight areas as well. Continue this process until you have cleaned all your baseboards, and don't forget to rinse out the mop head as needed and also wring out any excess water for effective cleaning. And there you have it, my friends, effortless baseboard cleaning made quick and easy with the O'Cedar Spin Mop. No more bending over, kneeling down, squatting, or straining your back. You're welcome. Like, share, subscribe for more cleaning tips and hacks. Until next time, take care of you, my friend, because you're special. Yes, you are. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.